Now let's do this last one. It's a little bit longer, but that's okay. Just going to do the same steps as before. Now when you look at this example, you'll see that it's missing an x squared term. So in order to write this one out correctly, we're going to have to put in the missing x squared term with the 0 as a coefficient. So let's write it like this. 3x squared, well, 3x cubed I meant, plus 0x squared minus 4x plus 8. And we're going to write x plus 2 on the outside because that's our divisor. This is our dividend. Once again, let's keep everything lined up. Let's start the division. Let's divide x into 3x cubed. I'm going to go to the side. That 3x cubed, that means that there's 3 x's on top, so that x is going to cancel one of those, leaving 3x squared. I'm going to write that above the x squared term. Now we're going to distribute or multiply. 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times a positive 2 is a positive 6x squared. Now we're going to subtract. I'm going to write in that minus sign so you can see what's going on. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0x cubed, which is what we want. 0x squared minus 6x squared is a negative 6x squared. Let's bring down the next term, which is the negative 4x. And let's divide again. X into negative 6x squared. Remember, we're only dividing first terms. So this x will cancel one of those, leaving an x on top. So x goes into negative 6x squared, and it leaves a negative 6x. So that goes above that negative 4x term. Let's distribute again. Negative 6x times x is negative 6x squared. Negative 6x times 2 is negative 12x. Once again, I like to write in the minus signs so you can see what's going on. And if you want to, change, add the opposite. So a negative 6 plus a positive 6, or negative 6 minus a negative 6, either way you want to look at it, it becomes a 0. But over here, I'm definitely going to change these signs. Negative 4x plus 12x gives us a positive 8x. Going to bring down the plus 8. And we're going to divide again. X into 8x. Those x's cancel and it leaves the 8. That's what I put up here. And it is a positive 8. Distribute again. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 2 is positive 16. Subtract. 8x minus 8x is 0x, which is what we wanted. 8 minus 16 is negative 8. Once again, I'm going to write the remainder over our divisor. So I'm going to take the remainder of negative 8 and write it over x plus 2. I'm going to circle it just so you know that this is the answer. And if you want to, you can rewrite that as 3x squared minus 6x plus 8 minus x plus 2.